how are you all? So today's makeup is the Arabian look and I look homeless right now. But in this makeup look from homeless, I will go to super cool makeup. As you have already seen the thumbnail over there, we will make into that. First of all, we will use toner or any kind of clarifying mist and spray it on our face or apply it on a cotton pad so it can clean our skin perfectly and we can look like a tomato. You must be now thinking, haha, I'm at home. I don't need to do the step. But I am also at home today, all day. But look how much dirt came out. So use it. Now I'm using a toner again. Now this is a glycolic toner. So I am not using it for exfoliating purposes, but I'm trying to have it in a softening motion. I'm just pushing it into my skin like we do naturally, and it makes my skin a little much more softer. Also, I'm using my favorite moisturizer for my glam. This adds inner glow on your face. So before makeup, something illuminating applying is, I guess, really important because it elevates the look. Now, first we will do the framing of our face. So, first of all, we are going to do our eyebrows. So, try to make it as much as eye arch and as much as bold you can. I'm using a brown and black mixed color, basically taking it from my eyeshadow palette. I'm not using a specific brow product for it, just applying it in an arch motion, and that's it. The brow, we will move on highlighting the brow and doing our eyes. So first of all, I'm priming that area only around my eyes over my brows. So I'm using a normal primer, blurring primer, and applying it all over my eyes with a little gentle motion. Don't rub anything on your face while doing makeup or skincare because it will do harm. First of all, it will give you wrinkles and the makeup will look patchy. As much as softly you will go on your makeup with soft brushes, you say, or soft motions, you say, that much smoother, cleaner your makeup is gonna turn out. So I am using a concealer over here on my shade and I'm applying it over my eyebrows to clean it out so the eyebrow can stand out more. And after that, I'm applying on my eyelids as well. So it will give it a cleaner base to start the eyeshadow. After that, with the concealer brush, try to have a softer tapping motion. It will clean all the concealer seamlessly in a second. So I'm using all my SFR palettes for eyeshadows, which will be linked down below. So first of all, I'm using this color from the eyeshadow palette, which is an orange color, and I'm gonna highlight my crease area with this. So what you want to do, have a fluffier brush and apply it all over your eye area. If you mess out, not to worry guys, because you can clean it out later. Then I'm using a reddish color, which will give like a sunset color. Okay, so we will use that again on our face. Now first color have given a softer edge, so our second color will not look harsh. So do the same as the first you have done, then mix it properly. If you mess it, not to worry guys, it will be much more perfect when you mess it because you can clean out and the makeup is going to be really smoky, really smoked out. So not an issue, you have mistakes. Then I'm going to use a brown color and doing my lips. Then I will use a black with a pointed brush. Then I'm applying it over my lips only and I'm trying to give it a eye shape which will be naturally looking like a cat eye. But the cat eye will be really smoky over here. Then just like we have done it over the eye, do it under your lash line as well. Use a brown and black mix and give a connecting line between the upper eyeshadow wing and the lower lash line. Then the really important thing is having a downward triangle in the inner corner of your eyes. So first of all, I'm having a black eyeshadow in the inner corner, trying to make a line which I can guide with my eyeliner. So be really dark on that area because when you fake something on your makeup, especially your lip line, your eyes, just go really dark with it so no one can understand. So after that, use your mascara and your eyelashes, and that would be it. Your eye makeup would be complete. After that, I'm just jumping on my face makeup. So for face makeup, I have always seen the Korean Chinese girls that they first use a brush for applying the foundation, then they use a sponge for blending it. So just like that, I'm doing the step over here, so I can also get a much more cleaner and softer base. Now I'm using a color corrector for my under eyes. As you can see, my under eyes have a little bit of darkness. I guess it is because I have eye fat over there, because I really don't think that I have dark circles. Maybe a little bit. So I'm using a yellow corrector. Correctors are really important when you are doing your makeup, because everything can't be concealed by your concealer or foundation. So using a corrector will give you a much more better look. If you don't know how to use your corrector, you can always go on my channel and search for it. I have a total video over it. Also after that, I'm using my concealer and I'm just swiping it all around with a tapping motion, and that's it. Our contour is going to be done now. After that, I'm taking the same corrector palette, I'm taking the darker shade, and I'm building facial muscles with it. So I don't have facial muscles at all. My face is really soft. So Arabian makeup has really strong muscles and really sharp jawline. So for that, I'm using the cool shade contour all over my face. Now, after we are heavily contoured our face, I will go on my nose to contour it. I'm using a powder contour and my eyeshadow brush for the nose contour. And I have started with the corner of my eyes and I have gone all the way down. Now, the main part would really recommend you start your nose contour from the beginning of your eyes. Just start it from the eye corner and end it on your nostrils. Don't skip the eye corners, because then it will look really unnatural. After that, I'm using a regular orange tone blush and I'm going over my contour. Like, I'm not giving a circle motion just in the middle. I'm going it over my contour to give a facial structure with that. Now I'm using a brown lipstick from Nykaa. This is, and everything will be linked down below. And this lipstick smells amazing for some reason. Actually, I have much more amazing lipsticks like Lakme 925. This Nykaa range, it smells really amazing somehow. So this is how I look. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe.